Kumar and Sons.
अब इसमें CDS कहाँ से आया, मुझे ये समझाओ। नो वैकेंसी के आगे कुमार एंड सन्स, यानी कि कंपनी का नाम क्या है?
Kumar and Sons.
और तुम CDS घुसा दिए इसमें। और उस बंदे का चेहरा कैसा है?
सर थोड़ा सा वो
उदास
डिसअपॉइंटेड
है
सा लग रहा है।
है ना, डिसअपॉइंटेड
यस
है।
सर। यस सर।
तो आपने इसको कहाँ लेके गए? यू क्लियर द UPSC CDS एंड अगेन दिस स्टूपिड नॉनसेंस एटीट्यूड ऑफ लिंकिंग एवरीथिंग टू PIQ.
यस सर।
Nothing else. You see, it is like boldly written. I mean, the stimulus is in writing here, and still you're missing that stimulus. Then what kind of thought process you are applying? It says it is Kumar and Sons. There is no vacancy. It means this person went and applied for some position, or you went to apply for some position and was disappointed to see no vacancy. But you are saying he is going for CDSE exam and SSB interview. Is there any correlation?
नो सर।
Then what are you saying? He took private job.
सर।
अरे he's not getting the private job यार। कहाँ से कहाँ जा रहे हो
सर।
दोस्त? इतना गलत कैसे हो सकते हो बे?
यस सर।
वो प्राइवेट जॉब ही तो लेने गया है जो उसको नहीं मिला है, जिसके चलते वो दुखी है। Again, you're trying to deny the stimulus now.
यस सर।
I'm sorry to say, extremely bad coaching. Please don't mind.
नो
I
सर,
hope
नॉट
you're
माइंड।
getting what I'm saying.
यस सर।
ये जो
यस
सो
सर।
कॉल्ड ये ट्रेनर्स बन गए हैं ना, ये सो कॉल्ड रिकमेंडेड कैंडिडेट्स, ये आप सबका
यस सर।
सबसे ज्यादा नुकसान करते हैं।
यस सर।
What led to the situation? What is the situation? He is not getting a job. Where is he standing in front of a company? What is he saying? No vacancy. Can you change the situation?
यस सर।
Can you change the situation on your own?
नो सर, मीन्स
Why
दिस इज
are
द
you changing
सिचुएशन
it?
नाउ आई हैव। यस
Why
सर।
are you changing it?
यस
Are
सर।
you getting my point?
यस सर।
Please call that so-called whatever he is. Please don't spoil people's lives. Because you are not a bad candidate, let me tell you. You're just a layer of dust has come over your subconscious mind. I have to come like this. I have to come like this. It's not a game. It's not arithmetic. It's not
यस
mathematics.
सर।
You're trying to apply a
यस
formula
सर।
here. I'm sorry to say. Your
यस सर।
stories are not correlating with the picture here. The basic thing is missing. Where a
यस सर।
psychologist very clearly says it should be around the character shown in the picture. Then he says what led to the situation. Situation is very clear. He has gone for a job, it's a no vacancy board. Is there any ambiguity in that?
नो सर।
Then see, situation को आप डिनाई करके सिचुएशन ठीक कर दोगे, ऐसा है क्या?
नो सर।
नहीं होगा ना। So you are missing the point. I hope you get this.
यस सर।
Hmm? So what will it be
यस
now?
सर,
Now
डेफिनेटली।
make this story. What is the story? Let me see what you make now after this. What is your understanding? Let's see.
So, for example, Rahul 21, who visits to Kumar and Sons and applied for project coordinator position in
Absolutely.
the company.
Ah,
And after visiting there, he saw that the job vacancies were so
absolutely.
limited. So
Absolutely. Yeah, आगे.
he does not get the job due to lack of vacancies.
There was no vacancy board. Now what is happening? He was very disappointed to see this. That is what is happening now. That is the present, right?
Yes, sir.
Now what will he do?
Sir, as my interest as a project coordinator, I would find out some other companies as well
Yes, and what
to
else can you
find
do?
the
What
job.
else? Can you connect to some other people?
Yes, sir.
Which people? Maybe your friends?
Yes, sir.
Can you do some courses to enhance your skills?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what will he do now? Tell me now. Tell me what happens now. What are the possible outcomes? Cover it now.
Sir, since I have upgraded myself,
No,
so
no,
I
not
could.
upgraded. He applies, he connects with his friends. Though disappointed, he decides to, apply for other positions. So he connects with his
Yes,
friends and professors, upgrades himself, enrolls into various skill building courses, applies,
yes,
builds
sir.
his resume, applied to other positions, registers on social media, LinkedIn and all, gets a
Yes,
call,
sir.
gets the interview, gets the job. That is the solution, right?
Yes, sir.
Open up, buddy. Open up.
सर ये ज्यादा लोगों का सुन के मेरा दिमाग से बंद हो
यार
गया, वो
मैं
ऐसा
कह
लग
रहा
रहा
हूँ
है।
तो किसी की मत सुन, तू बस साइकोलॉजिस्ट का ब्रीफिंग सुन ले. Can anybody
ओके
be
सर।
superior to the briefing which psychologist is giving?
नो सर।
Whoever damn might he be.
यस
Psychologist is
सर।
giving you a thorough briefing. Can anybody override that also?
नो सर।
Then,
यस सर।
is there any ambiguity on that?
नो सर।
Then, apply your mind, यार.
यस सर।
ठीक है?
ओके सर।
चल.